Hey man, long time no see since high school. How have the past 25 years been for you? Hey man, I've been real good. So after college I bought a boat, last year I got myself a sick new car, and pretty soon I'll be moving into my dream summer lake house. Wow, that's super cool. If you don't mind me asking, how'd you pay for all of this? Well, to be honest, it's been a real challenge. I've dipped into my retirement savings, taken out a few loans with really high interest rates, and I feel like I'm always working extra hours just to make ends meet. It's been pretty tough, but hey, I got some cool new toys. Well, if you enjoy it, that's a plus. So what about you? What have you been up to? Oh, well, last year I became a millionaire and I retired. No way. How'd you do that, especially in your 40s? Yeah, so instead of buying fancy toys and taking out expensive loans or spending all this money for the short-term gain, I decided to think long-term. And after high school, I set the goal to be totally financially free by my 40s. And I only buy what I need, invest the rest in appreciating assets, and after doing this for 25 years, my investments now pay for the lifestyle that I want to live. So basically, I can do whatever I want, whenever I want. Well, you must have had a crazy high salary, so that would explain it, right? Nope. I actually never made $100,000 a year at any point during my working life. Well, I bet you didn't even have any fun. I bet you just spent all that time saving and you wasted all of your younger years. You actually couldn't be more wrong. So I had plenty of fun. I went on awesome vacations with the travel points from my credit cards. I bought a really nice car, but since it was used, I saved over 60% on the total value. And also, I have a lake house, but I rent it out to the local college kids during the year, so it actually pays me to own it. Oh man, I wish I'd learned how to do that when I was younger, especially when I started my first real job. I mean, I have no savings, I have mountains of debt, and I never have any time to enjoy the things I buy or do the things I want, since I'm always working to pay for stuff. Well, it's never too late to start on this path, and you can still achieve financial freedom. But you would have to follow these 3 rules. What are they? Number 1, establish a budget and stick to it. This means you prioritize buying things that you actually need, and refrain from impulse purchases, meaning that you give every dollar of income a purpose, and make sure that every purchasing decision makes financial sense first. 2, invest your money in appreciating assets, like ETFs, index funds, and real estate, just for example. And number 3, repeat this consistently over time, and you will be financially free. Do your research, take the initiative, and learn new things, especially in regards to money. Have a great day.